All right, guys. Today's trek into DIY tech. It's a little bit exciting here. It's noisy as well. I'm not gonna go out to the usual test field that I used to get these drones tested, but I was so excited to show you this that I'm just gonna do it out in the yard. Um, and what it is today, the I just finished the hardware store drone. Um, there's going to be a build video coming up soon, but there's a massive amount of footage, and yeah, I'm going to be editing for months. Um, but anyway, I'm going to show you real quick what it looks like, and yeah, we'll try to get this thing up in the air. You might see fires, explosions, what have you. And I'm doing this just before sunset because my screen, the screen on my laptop, you can't see it during the day, so glare and all that. So here we go. All right, so there you go. There she is. Here's this latch was inspired by the boss's Jeep. The hood latches on the Jeep Wrangler. But there it is. Just got done, and all these parts except for the avionics and the battery were yeah, it's Home Depot. So I named the drone. Okay, I know it's a bad joke. But there you go. We have more details on how this all went together in the build video when it comes out. I'll link it in here, and you guys can check it out. And if you guys are subscribed to the channel, you will get the notification when that goes up. So there we go. First thing we're going to do is we're going to do the compass calibration, and then we're going to attempt to take off. I am a Part 107. This guy's been registered. So yeah, here we go. And we'll just put it right out front here, and we're gonna plug her in. All right, so got our telemetry radio hooked up, and we're gonna wait for the connection. We still have a lot of glare. Let's see if we can change directions here and get you a better. All right, so I'm gonna go into. Oh man, I should have just started the recording on there. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the recording on the computer and give you a shot of that. So we'll switch over to a shot of the recording. All right, so we're in Q ground control, and what I usually do is set a geofence up. So we've got a geofence set up there so that the in case the drone tries to do a flyaway, it'll stop at the geofence and go into hold mode in theory. Okay, so now I have the takeoff point set up so that if there's a failsafe, battery runs out, it'll come back to that spot. And then we go to sensors. We're going to set up the compass calibration. Good idea to do this every time you go to a new spot. Do your compass calibration so that the compass will be, the magnetic field in that particular area will be accounted for. And so everybody knows the drone dance, right? All you do is follow the pictures. We're going to speed it up a little bit there. So we used a time dilation device. And so we'll speed through this. I'm sure it's entertaining watching me spin a drone around. Yeah, but once we got this last one, and that's it. Let's put it out there and get it up in the air. mode right now. Looks like it's holding pretty good. Oh yeah, that's pretty responsive. Disarm. I think that did pretty well. We'll keep that one. We're gonna be doing more stuff with this one, so stay tuned. Maybe if you guys are interested, I'll put it on its own separate playlist. Let me know in the comments. All right, guys, that went pretty good. No smoke, no fire, right? Only had the battery, half full, so in case it crashed, then the fire wasn't too big. That's not how it works, right? Anyway, it got off the ground, so that's a good thing. Like I said, the full build video will be long soon. Keep your eyes out for that. And if you enjoyed this one, like, subscribe, share with your friends, family, everybody. And again, check on the Patreon if you want to drop something in there for us to keep these things going. And we'll see you in the next video.